So let's take a step back and start with your sales pitch. Your sales pitch really isn't your close. I believe your sales pitch is really what you say to get people interested, to get your foot in the door, to start the dialogue, and to kind of present what you have to offer. So for this, I want to this is a common slide that I present if you've attended any of our other webinars. But first, let's start out with looking at what common approaches, which I consider product pushing, product selling. So this sales pitch is sort of like this. This is the company I work for. This is what we sell. This is how it works. This is how much it costs. Do you guys need what we sell? That's a common sales pitch. Now we want to push you to have more of a consultative sales pitch, and this is going to help you to be a better closer, and I will clearly demonstrate that. But the consultative sales pitch is, instead of focusing on the company and the product, it's more on how you help the customer, the prospect, in terms of value, what problems you help to solve. Asking good questions, and I think good questions in your sales pitch are questions that determine if your prospect has pain problems that you can help to fix. Share some examples of how you've helped others. Share some ways that you're different. Communicate the return that you help to deliver. Include some impressive company facts. And instead of trying to see if they need what you sell or want what you sell, focus on closing to start the conversation, or close on moving the prospect to the next step. So let me go through and I want to share an example with you to kind of to get your hands around what I just went through really quickly. So first of all, I want to use an example, and I use this example a lot because it's something that I think we can all relate to, and I want to explain if I was selling a gym membership to you. Okay, and I want to go through the left side and the right side real quick. I use a gym membership because we all own a body, and either, if you're watching this, either you attend a gym or you don't attend a gym, and you might have some of the pain points that you can relate to. So bear with me if you've heard this example before, but if I were to sell you a gym membership and I did the product pitch, it might sound something like this. I'm with 24/7 gym. We have 30 treadmills, weights, spa, sauna, classes, yoga. It is $49 a month, month to month. Are you interested in signing up? That is the product pitch. Everything I talked about there is what is listed there. I talked about the company, the product, the treadmills, the pricing, and I wanted to see if you need what we sell. Now let me sell that same product, gym membership, on the right side. So instead of talking about the treadmills and the classes, I want to talk to you about how if you start attending our gym, you can transform your life. And I'm not really stretching that. If you're looking to lose weight and get healthier, we have a plan and have everything you need to do that. If you find yourself having trouble sleeping at night, if you don't feel like you're healthy, if you have medical expenses, we can help you to decrease your medical expenses, sleep better at night, decrease stress, find new friends, potentially find new romantic relationships. We can help you to, and so those are some of the pain points and benefits. Questions I could ask you are, how do you find yourself stressed from work and have trouble dealing with stress? How do you deal with stress? Do you find yourself being sick more often than you'd like? Do you find yourself going to the doctor, having medical bills, and do you have prescriptions that you think you might be able? Are you spending too much on prescription medication? So those are some questions I could ask you. Customer examples, I can tell you a story of someone a middle-aged man who was 30 pounds overweight, single, depressed, stressed, going to the doctor on 10 different medications, started coming to the gym, lost 30 pounds, is in a brand new relationship, got a new job, got off of 8 of the 10 prescription medications, right? There's a story. Some ways that we're different is that you don't have to, let's say you get one free personal training session a week. I don't know. I'm just making that up. And no other gym does that. I want to be sure to tell you that. That's our differentiation. Return on investment, people that come and spend the monthly due with us, usually that pays for itself by them decreasing their medical expenses that they usually within the first whatever. I mean, they save tremendous amount on medical expenses, way beyond what they spend on their dues with the gym. Some facts about our gym is, we are 24 hours. We've been in business anyway, so I'm going to skip ahead. But instead of trying to get you to sign up for the membership, I might want to see if you want to take a tour or agree to a free 3-day trial of the gym. So I'm just trying to close you on progressing to the next step. So a totally different approach. Why I want to point that out is because think about the close. Think about the close. If I just talk to you about treadmills and then I say, "Are you ready to sign up?" versus if I talk to you about transforming your life and talk to you about relationships and stress and medical bills, and I share an example with you. Think about when it's time to close, how much easier it is to close with a better sales pitch. So that's what I want to point out there. Now, if you want more information on how to build your pitch, here's a slide to a link to a webinar that takes you through consultative selling and building your pitch.